We know that maintaining a good hygiene helps us avoid germs and as a result a number of diseases. But is that enough to keep our body fit and healthy? Not really. Well, definitely we need to avoid a number of diseases, but we also need to have some good healthy habits so that our body is fit and functional. So what are these different types of habits that can keep our body fit and healthy? Let's see. Well, first and very important habit is that we should get active. What do we mean by getting active? Well, perform an hour of physical activities every day. So at least an hour of physical activities is very important, because when we perform physical activities, then our muscles and bones get the required exercise and they remain fit and flexible. Also, we need to exercise regularly. So apart from an hour of physical activities, when we exercise, we actually stretch different parts of our body, different joints of our body, and so they remain flexible and fit. So exercise and yoga keep our body flexible and fit. So even exercise is very important in our regular schedule. Now, it is also very important that we eat healthy food. Now, why do we need healthy food? Because eating fruits and vegetables every day helps to fight diseases. So, apart from maintaining good hygiene, we also need to eat a number of vegetables and fruits that will help us avoid different types of diseases. So, eating healthy food is also a very important habit. And then we also need to get enough sleep. Now, why is sleep important? Because sleep helps to reset our body and it also helps in growth of kids. So you see, when you sleep, your body resets and you also grow. So taking enough rest is also very important for our body. So you work hard, you perform physical activities, you exercise, and then you also get proper sleep. So sleep helps us to reset our body. Is it true or is it false? What do you think? Well, it is definitely true. Sleep helps us to reset our body. And then last but not the least, you should entertain yourself too, because when you entertain yourself, when you are involved in a recreational activity, then your mood resets, you feel good, and then you are able to do other tasks efficiently. So you see, even entertainment is very important. Now, entertainment can have any form. So if you feel entertained by playing with your friends, that is entertainment. If you feel entertained by watching cartoons, you can do that. You can also watch movies or simply play with your pet. So any of these can be a mode of entertainment. You just need to take care that it should be in moderation, because excess of anything is bad. So you see, even entertaining yourself is a very important part of your healthy lifestyle. So when you want to keep your body healthy and fit, then you need to perform a number of activities. So you need to get active. That is very important. You cannot just sit the entire day. That will make your body unhealthy. Also, you need to exercise regularly. You need to eat healthy food. You need to get enough sleep. And then also you need to entertain yourself. So once you maintain all these habits, then your body will be fit and healthy.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.